Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator on a Lexus RX 350. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This crucial step prevents accidental electrical shorts or shocks. Next, gather all your tools, including wrenches, sockets, and a serpentine belt tool. Having everything ready saves time and frustration. Finally, ensure your engine is completely cool before you begin. This prevents burns and makes the job safer and more comfortable. Now let's get to removing the old alternator. Begin by locating the serpentine belt tensioner and using your specialized tool to loosen it, allowing you to remove the belt. Once the belt is off, you'll need to disconnect all electrical connectors attached to the alternator. There are typically one or two main power wires and a small control wire. After that, unbolt the alternator from its mounting brackets. With the bolts removed, carefully work the old unit free from its spot. With the old alternator out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully guide the new alternator into its mounting position, ensuring it aligns correctly with the brackets. Once in place, insert and hand tighten all the mounting bolts. Then, use a torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specifications for a secure fit. Finally, reconnect all the electrical connectors, making sure they click firmly into place. Double-check that all connections are snug and secure. For the final steps, carefully reinstall the serpentine belt, making sure it's routed correctly over all pulleys and has the proper tension. Then, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Before starting the car, take a moment to double-check all your connections and ensure no tools are left in the engine bay. Once you're confident, start the engine and observe the dashboard for any warning lights, especially the battery light. Also, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Confirm your charging system is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.